How to manage or block 18 plus content on Snapchat. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll explain how to manage or block 18 plus content on Snapchat and what you really need to know to stay safe online. Snapchat sometimes shows mature or sensitive content through Discover Stories or Spotlight videos. If you see something that looks inappropriate, here's what you can do. First, tap and hold on that story or profile. Then tap Hide or Not Interested. Snapchat will automatically stop showing you similar content in the future. Next, you can manage your content settings. Go to your profile, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to Additional Services and choose Content Preferences. Here, you can filter or block sensitive content and manage who can contact you or send snaps. For younger users, it's best to keep See Me in Quick Ad and Contact Me set to Friends Only. If you're a parent, you can also use Snapchat Family Center to monitor your child's activity safely. And that's it. Now you know how to manage, hide, or block 18 plus content on Snapchat to keep your experience clean and safe. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. Would you like me to